Okay, ma'am. At, from very young age, from very young age, Siddhartha was associated with education and knowledge. Next to Kapil Vastu, there was a monastery of a saint named Alara Kalam. Alara
Yes, very
Kalam
good.
was his
Very good.
guru.
There was a saint named Alara
Siddhartha went
Kalam. His guru's name was what? Alara Kalam.
Hello,
Right?
ma'am.
हाँ बोलो. Say.
Ma'am.
हाँ बोलो. I'm
Ma'am,
listening.
can
Say.
I left for 1 minute? I want my call is coming. No, that one.
Yes, beta. Yes,
Hello,
Muskan, you read beta.
Ma'am, can I read Mehdi
Yes,
Singh
ma'am.
Khadija?
नहीं ना
From
स्टूडेंट बोलो.
young
ma'am.
age,
Ma'am,
from
after
young age,
Muskan, can I read Alina Kholia?
Ma'am,
Alina,
after
after
Muskan, can I
Merin,
read?
Merin is going to read. Okay.
Ma'am,
from
after
young
Muskan, can
age,
I read Khadija?
Siddhartha was associated with education and knowledge. Next to Kapilvastu, there was a monastery of a saint named Alara Kalam. Alara Kalam was his guru. Siddhartha went to his ashram. Here he did meditation. Siddhartha's father was worried as he continued to discuss knowledge and samadhi. He was worried if Siddhartha would become a monk. Siddhartha was married at a young age. His wife's name was Yashodhara. He also had a son named Rahul.
What was his son's name? Rahul.
Rahul.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am. Home sacrifice and sadhana. At the age of 30, he decided to renounce his royal family and set
Can
to become a saint, hermit in search of truth. One night he took his charioteer Channa and horse Kanthak and went for the river bank outside his state. Leaving his royal attire, he gave all his jewelry to Channa and ordered him to take Kanthak along with him and return to the palace. He himself wore
He
the
himself wore.
he
Excuse me, ma'am.
himself wore the ascetic clothes of the hermit and walked towards the jungle. After leaving his home, he went to Rajgiri and then to Kuruvela. Here he started penance with 5 Brahmins. He felt that giving up food and water and tormenting the body would not yield knowledge. Conquering the path
Hello,
of
ma'am.
conscious
Excuse me, ma'am.
con- consciousness and the desire is the major duty of human beings. Leaving 5 Brahmins, he decided to do penance alone. Sitting under the peepal tree at Bodh Gaya, he started sadhana for truth and enlightenment. After many days of sadhana, he got knowledge on the day of Vaishak Purnima. On acquiring knowledge, he became Buddha from Siddhartha. Buddha means Confucius or wise. Later on, he was called Gautam Buddha.
Yes, absolutely
Hello,
correct.
hello,
Later
Paramam.
on, he was
Paramam,
called.
excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो.
मैम मैं लेफ्ट हो गई थी क्योंकि मैम एक कॉल आ रहा था ना बाहर से इसलिए
So you can say no the call if there is a call you should not receive it in the online class.
मैम बट दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट मैम
When you are
मैम
in
दैट इज
school,
फ्रॉम आउटसाइड इज दैट
but
व्हाई
whatever it is, when you are in school, do you go and attend the calls?
नो
तो फिर
मैम दैट माय मॉम कॉल दैट आई
चलो next beta. So we understood how Gautam Buddha became. Yes, how did he acquire knowledge, right? And how did he became? What did he become? He became
गौतम बुद्धा
Siddhartha became Gautam Buddha, right? We saw that, right or no?
मैम या मैम राइट
Yes. Now we will continue with ahead. Now
मैम
preaching.
मेहरीन
After
ईमान मैम
Iman,
आई हैव
Merin,
लेफ्ट
wait, Merin. After getting enlightenment, attaining enlightenment, okay, जब उनको ज्ञान हो चुका उनके बाद बुद्धा went to Sarnath. Where did he go, beta?
सरनाथ
Yes, now Sarnath is a place, okay. where he met his old Brahmin friends. जहाँ पे वो अपने ओल्ड ब्राह्मण फ्रेंड्स को मिले थे वहां पे गए. ओके, वहां पे जाके उन्होंने क्या किया वो अब हम देखेंगे. ओके, 1 minute है बेटा.
Ma'am, now can I read, Iman?
No, Iman, please don't keep on asking.
Ma'am, I had not read that one.
No, Iman, I
Ma'am,
gave
can
you
I read
chance.
Mary?
Can I read Khadija?
Yes, the first time he preached, okay, for the first time he preached to those 5 Brahmins. Whom did he preach? To those 5 Brahmins. Okay, now who were those Brahmins? Do you remember? With whom he had gone for the first time for the after going to Alara Kalam's गुरु अलारा कलाम. तो पहली बार जब वो मिले थे तो उन्होंने उनको स्पीच दी. ओके, सबसे पहले बुद्धा दिस फर्स्ट प्रीचिंग्स आर कॉल्ड धर्म चक्र प्रवर्तनम. व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड? धर्म चक्र. व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड? धर्म चक्र प्रवर्तन. ओके, मतलब परिवर्तन, जो धर्म के चक्र में जो परिवर्तन आता है, दैट इट इज नोन एज. इज इट क्लियर टिल हियर? क्लियर और नो?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
ओके.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay, now what did he see? What did he say? The Buddha gave what did he give? Only a few very simple sermon. Okay, very simple, you can say lecture or you can say sermon to get rid of mysteries, or you can say understanding. और क्या बोल सकते हो आप? अंडरस्टैंडिंग. कैसी अंडरस्टैंडिंग दी उन्होंने? एकदम सिंपल सी अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ओके, like what he said, is the world of full of miseries. What it is? Miseries. Okay, the world is full of miseries. What it is full of? Yes, the world is full of miseries. Okay, the cause of suffering is greed or strong desire. What it is? The cause is,
Design.
yes, a strong desire. Means you say કે આ ડ્રેસ તો મને જોવે જ છે, આ ડ્રેસ તો મને જોવે જ છે. That is your desire. And when you don't get it, you feel sad. है ना? When you don't get that dress, you feel sad. Right or wrong?
Ma'am, right.
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Understand? So it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what it is? That it is the desire, right? The world of full of miseries, and the cause of suffering is the greed or desire, a strong desire. Distractions. Okay, distractions of suffering is renunciance of desire. मतलब कि suffering को अगर छोड़ दिया जाए तो it is distractions. Yes, it will make you sad. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Adoption of octagonal path, that is Astang Marg. What it is? Astang Marg. Okay, elements desire. Okay, मतलब कि अगर हम वो पाथ पे चले जिसपे हमें कोई डिजायर ना हो तो हम खुश हो सकते हैं. क्या हो सकते हैं बेटा? We can be happy. Understood? But everyone wants something and something. है ना? Daily, everyone wants something and something, and if you don't get at the end of the day those things, you feel sad. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Chalo. So then we'll see Buddha as a great reformer. Okay, Buddha ने क्या क्या changes लाए, that we will see. Okay, Buddha as a great reformer. Okay, yes, Mehreen.
Yes, ma'am. Buddha is
Buddha is
great-
नहीं, Buddha as.
Buddha as a great reformer. Buddha was great religious and social reformer. He would lifelong and eliminate the pollutants in religion and society. He had many disciplines. Many kings and
Many
states were
disciplines nahi.
encouraged
Many disciplines nahi. He had many disciples.
disciples. Many kings and states were encouraged by his human religion. He did the following reforms. Number 1. Denial of God and soul. Buddha denied God and soul and
Denied nahi. Denied.
denied God and soul and gave importance to karmism. According to him, if there was God, sorrows would not have been there. Instead of including in welfare of soul, one should live a virtuous life in the present. Number 2. Op- opposite
Opposites to rituals.
opposition to ritual.
Rituals.
He,
Rituals.
he opposes ritual performed in Hinduism and the sacrifice of animals and yams. He said that non-violence is the highest value. The greatest duty of all human beings is to treat animals non-violently. Number 3. Opposition of discrimination of high and low. At this time, Hinduism was divided into four yans: Brahmin,
Kshatriyas.
Kshatriya,
Very good.
yes ma'am, Vaisya and Sudra.
Rudra.
Sudra. Buddha opposed the Varyan system. He said, being of born in a high family does not make anyone greater. He becomes great by his deeds, by his conscience, by following the path of truth and non-violence. He highly
Violence.
opposed
Non-violence.
non-violence. He highly opposed the discrimination of high and low prevailing in the society. Number 4. I- Importance of
Of
woman.
woman. Yes. Importance of woman.
Buddha gave equal importance to woman as to man. He said that the path of nirvana is not only for men. Women can also achieve nirvana through saddha and duty. Nirvana. Buddha attended
Very good. Buddha attended
enlightenment in the shadow of the Bodhi tree on Vikash
Buddha tree. Buddha tree.
Buddha tree on Vikash Purnima, Pur, Purnima by acquiring knowledge.
Vaishak Purnima.
Vikash Purnima by
Vaishak
acquiring
Purnima.
Vikash Purnima.
Vaishak, beta.
Vaishak Purnima.
Vaishak month is there, you know, no?
Yes, ma'am. By acquiring knowledge, Buddha continued reforming society and religion in India. He led many people towards righteous path, giving preachings of truth and non-violence. He opposed eating of non-vegetarian food and high and low discrimination. He died
Discrimination.
80 years in Kushinara and attained Nirvana, but his ideas and religion is still alive in the world.
Yes. Still alive in the world. Very good, beta. See, there are some hard words to recognize in this, but it's very easy. Dekho. Now, what did he say, people? Okay. गौतम बुद्धा ने पीपल को क्या बोला था? Denial of God. Buddha was a great religious and social reformer. कैसे थे बुद्धा? How was he? How was he, beta? He was a great religious and a social reformer. He worked his life long. How did he work his life? Lifelong to eliminate the pollutants in the religion and society. ओके, पॉल्यूटेंट्स मतलब कि जो भी समाज में खराब है उनको निकालने के लिए उन्होंने काम किया पूरी लाइफ. ओके, ऐसा नहीं है कि ऑलवेज अच्छी चीजें होती है अपने अराउंड, राइट? यस और नो? Yes, so he tried to
Yes.
remove the pollutants in the
Right.
religion and in the society. He had many disciples. Disciples मतलब कि जो उनके मार्ग पे जो चलते हैं, they are known as disciples. Okay, what are they known as, beta?
Disciple.
Yeah, जो उनको follow करते हैं, right? So he had many disciples. Many kings and states were encouraged by his human religion. तो उनका जो ह्यूमनिटी के वो जो धर्म पढ़ाते थे वो क्या था? ह्यूमनिटी के और था, राइट? यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No one is replying, huh? Yes. So what did he do? He worked and many kings and states, बहुत सारे ऐसे kings थे, states थे जो ये चीजों को appreciate करते थे, जो उन्होंने सिखाया था सबको, राइट? जैसे कि denial of God. Yes. What did he first say? That you should follow. Buddha denied God and soul and gave importance to कर्मिज्म. What did he give importance to? कर्मिज्म, कि आप जो करते हो, राइट, उस पे उन्होंने ज्यादा फोकस किया कि कर्म ही है जो आपको सत्य मार्ग पे ले जाएगा. क्या सोचा उन्होंने? कर्म, आप जो काम करते हो, दैट इज कर्म. ओके, इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ कर्मिज्म अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम क्या था बेटा? According to him, okay, if there was a god, sorrows would not have been there. है ना? अगर गॉड होते तो दुख होता ही नहीं. इंस्टेड ऑफ इंडल्जिंग वेलफेयर ऑफ सोल, वन शुड लिव इन अ वर्चुअस लाइफ इन प्रेजेंट. कैसी लाइफ रहनी चाहिए?
हाँ मैम.
कैसी लाइफ रहनी चाहिए? वर्चुअल लाइफ, सादी लाइफ, राइट?
Yes, ma'am. Right.
हाँ,
Yes,
पर
ma'am.
हम लोग ये फॉलो नहीं कर पाते. कर पाता है कोई फॉलो?
No, मैम नहीं कर पाते.
हाँ, नो वन. I also can't. Can we?
We can't.
Can we?
We
Why?
can't. Why?
Why?
Because
Because we all want all things, right, around us, right? Then opposition to rituals. He opposed. What did he oppose? You know, beta? He opposed some rituals. Okay. जैसे he opposed rituals performed in some Hinduism and the sacrifice of animals in the yagnas. कुछ लोगों एनिमल्स को यज्ञ में डालते थे, तो वो उन्होंने अपोज किया. यस, क्यों अपोज किया? क्योंकि ये जरूरी नहीं है ना? इट वॉज नॉट नेसेसरी टू डू दिस, राइट? He said that non-violence is the highest value. What did he say, beta?
Non-violence is highest value.
Yes, it is the highest value. Non-violence means what? कि किसी को मारना नहीं है. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Huh. Okay, you should not beat
Yes,
anyone. Okay. The
yes,
greatest
yes,
duty, yes, the greatest duty of all is what? Of all human being is to treat animals non-violently. Animals को अच्छे से treat करना है. Is it clear?
yes, ma'am. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes, Muskan. Repeat these 2 points.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. Denial of God and soul. Buddha denied God and soul and gave importance to karma. According to him, if there was God, sorrows would not have been there. Instead of indulging in welfare of soul, one should live a virtuous life in the present. Second point. Opposition to rituals. He opposed rituals performed in Hinduism and the sacrifice of animals in the yagnas.
Yagnas.
He,
Yagnas.
yagnas. He said that non-violence is the highest value. The greatest duty of all human beings is to treat animals non-violently.
Yes, very good. So all this is what he denied. All this is what he said to the people to do. He also followed all these things and he also asked people to do all these things. Yes?
Yes,
Yes or no?
ma'am.
है ना? So that people could be happy in their life. Yes, beta? Then the
Yes,
third
ma'am.
point.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the third point. And we will also try to do these things, right? To live
Yes,
happy.
ma'am.
Yeah. Now the next, third point, opposition of discrimination, discrimination of high and low. એટલે કે આપણે જે ઊંચ નીચ રાખીએ, right? That should be
Yes,
stopped.
ma'am.
Opposition of discrimination of high and low. That should be stopped. Yes? And everyone should be treated equally. Now our constitution, yes, which was enforced on 26 January 1950, that has given equal rights to all Indian citizens. You know no, that everyone is equal in the consideration of law, right? So same way, he also said that at the there should be no discrimination of high and low. Okay. At this time, Hinduism was divided into 4 varnas: Brahmin, Kshatriyas, okay, Vaishyas and Sudras. Okay. What were they? They were two. Okay. Four: Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishnavas and which beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and Shudras. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. And so Buddha opposed this Varna system. What did he do, beta? He opposed this Varna system and he said that being born in a high family, what did he say, beta? That being born in a
In
high,
high family.
yes, it does not make anyone great. आपको कुछ great काम करने पड़ेंगे. Only then and then you can become great. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You are right.
Yes. Yes. He becomes great by his deeds. How does he become great, beta?
Ma'am, what?
How does one become great? By doing good deeds.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ? ऐसे ही कोई ग्रेट नहीं बन जाता, right?
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Yes, yes. This is way by following the path of truth and non-violence. By following what, beta? Path of truth and non-violence. This is the path which was followed by even Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, truth and non-violence. Path was followed by whom? Mahatma Gandhi also, right?
Yes, ma'am, right.
Yes, ma'am, right.
Yes. So this is all about this third point, right? Now the fourth
Yes,
point,
ma'am.
importance of women. Okay, Buddha gave equal importance to whom?
To woman.
Yes, he gave equal importance to women also, right? And he said that the path of nirvana, what did he say? He said that the path of nirvana is not only for men, but women can also achieve nirvanas. Yes, what can women also achieve? Nirvanas through sadhana and duty. साधना और ड्यूटी मतलब आपको जो काम सौंपा गया है वो करो, है ना? दिस वे ऑल्सो वन
Yes,
अटेन निर्वाणा एंड द ड्यूटीज, राइट?
yes, ma'am, right.
Are you there, Meherin?
Ma'am, your voice was breaking.
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am.
Yes, Meherin, can you revise third and fourth point, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Number 3. Opposition of dissemination of high and low. At this time, Hinduism was divided into 4 yans: Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra. Buddha, but Buddha opposed the Varna system. He said being born in a high family does not make anyone greater. He becomes great by his deeds, by his conscience, by following the path of truth and non-violence. He highly opposed the discrimination of high and low prevailing in the society. Number 4. Importance of woman. Buddha gave equal importance to women as to men. He said that the path of nirvana is not only for men. Women can also achieve nirvana through sadhana and duty.
Yes, through sadhana and duty. Yes, one can perform all this. Then we'll see about nirvana, right? Chalo, everyone understood till here?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Chalo. Now from here in the next class we will be doing, okay, about Mahavir Swami, the new topic, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Done.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
Bye,
ma'am. Have a
ma'am.
blessing day.
Have a
Have a nice day. Have a
beautiful
beautiful
day.
day.
Yes. See, all of you complete the
Bye, ma'am.
notes in your fair book, lesson number 5, which I have sent, okay?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
have
for the
completed.
Okay. I have also completed.
मैम मेरा फोन के अंदर नहीं खुल रहा है
Hmm?
खुलता नहीं है डाउनलोड होता है पर है ना खुलता नहीं है
Who is it not opening? Please take
आज ये
from your
फातिमा
friend, okay?
पहले
Everyone,
ओके मैम
बेटा everyone के हर एक के फोन में खुलता है, आपके फोन में नहीं खुल रहा है, तो maybe you are having some problem with the app. Take it from one of your friend, okay? चलो,
मुझे भी नहीं
as
खुल
as soon as the notes are sent, बेटा see that you all copy in your fair book, okay बेटा? Otherwise,
Okay, ma'am.
otherwise last में क्या होगा?
नहीं खुल रही
Everything will get pile up, okay?
Okay.